What's going on, family? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing Açai Bowl. So the first thing you want to do is get you some Açai puree. You could do the chunks or you could do the pouch. I did the pouch. Alright, then we got some sliced bananas. Now these bananas are frozen that I'm actually adding to the Açai mix. And I got the blueberries too. I'm going to add that in there. But you could do your base any kind of way you want. Alright, then we got the J.Flo peanut butter, the classic peanut butter. I got the jar, but I also got the pouch because I can spread it a lot easier. Then we got the date sugar or the date syrup. You can use any sweetener you like. We got the bananas. Then we got the strawberries and blueberries. I just cleaned them up. I had them sitting on a towel just to blot little water off of them. Then we got some plant-based oat milk. You can use hemp milk. You can use coconut milk, whatever milk you want to use. And then we got some good granola from Whole Foods. And then we got the Ninja blender. Now this thing is designed for smoothie bowls because the bottom actually come off. But if you got a Vitamix, you can use that as well. But my Vitamix is actually at my commercial kitchen, so I don't have it with me today. So this is my smoothie bowl mixer. So go in with 2 pouches of your Açai mix, and then you want to fill the rest of the way up with some bananas, and then you're gonna leave some room for the blueberries. Now this blender actually marks and let you know. So I'm making 2 bowls, so that's where I needed to fill the ingredients up to. All right, then you're gonna add a little date syrup. Now, going back, I probably would have added a little less syrup because date syrup is a lot more sweeter than regular sugar, and I wanted a little more of that tang from the acai berries, but it was still wonderful. But that's what I would have did next time. All right, then I also added the oat milk. I just added a little oat milk just to get everything together. And the cool thing about this blender is you got a tamper that you could just twist and it blends everything up, so you'll never have to worry about your ingredients not blending up. And that's why I said this thing was designed to make smoothie bowls, because this mixture is really thick, but just being able to twist that tamper, just put everything down to the blade and everything just grind it up really smooth. All right, then we got our little coconut bowl and our wooden spoon, and we're gonna go ahead and fill this thing up. And so how you want to do it is put your acai base at the bottom, go ahead and smooth it out. And then I wish I would have put the granola before the bananas, but I didn't, so I added a whole banana just to fill it up and give me some height. But the granola would have kind of gave me a little height, so I didn't have to add the whole banana. But it's all good. Potassium is potassium. All right, so then on the other side, I went ahead and put our granola down. All right, so from the granola, we got the strawberries. How many strawberries up there you'll like? I like a lot of strawberries, so I'm putting a lot of strawberries on there. All right, from the strawberries, we got the blueberries. All right, and I just diced those strawberries up. You could have left them whole or whatever. Yeah, it's pretty much up to you. And the blueberries, I wish I would have did a red, white, and blue, kind of like American flag colors, but I did white, red, and blue, which is still all good. All right, and from there, I topped it with the peanut butter. So we kind of made this like the Smoothie King bowl with the peanut butter on top of the acai bowl. And it's cool because I love my acai bowl with peanut butter. Actually, I always ask for extra peanut butter because it just makes the bowl. And I went on with some chia seeds as well, just for aesthetic purposes. All right, but yeah, there you have it, man. The most amazing acai bowl from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Come get this acai bowl. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you next week. I'm out.